Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney and probate attorney and asset protection attorney. You may ask yourself, how can I be all of these things? Well, really it's because they're interrelated. If you need to speak with me, if you'd like to talk with me, if you have a question for me, please go to Frank. I'll tell you my website, frankbrunolaw.com. You can email me, frank@frankbrunolaw. So what is asset protection and how does it work with elder law and estate planning? So there's a couple of different types of asset protection vehicles. You may hear that the rich, the Vanderbilts, the Gettys, right? J.P. Morgan, they had trusts. What they did is they put their assets into the trust so that they could protect themselves, protect their assets, and then pass on to the next generations. So we use a similar vehicle. It's fine for the middle class. Medicaid Asset Protection Trust. That's at least, that could be the title of the document. And what we do is we legally, permissibly take assets and put them into the trust. And lo and behold, those assets are safe from creditors and predators. They're safe from lawsuits. They're safe from nursing homes. Now, there's a little bit of an interplay between when are they safe and how long something has to be in a trust, right? So I'll break it down like this. As soon as you put something into a trust, it's immediately protected. Immediately. As long as you record it. I have a house. I put my house into the trust today and it's recorded. It is safe. Now, that means if I get into a lawsuit tomorrow, the trust is protected. If I get into a lawsuit individually, right? If someone sues me personally. Now, that doesn't mean that I could put my house or property into a trust and put someone into a nursing home tomorrow and immediately qualify for Medicaid. That's a different question. That's a different situation. In order to qualify for Medicaid, you need to have your assets in the trust or out of your name for more than 5 years. So when should you do this type of asset protection? Well, ideally, at least 5 years before you need to qualify for Medicaid. If you have a fact pattern that you'd like me to speak to you about, if you have any questions, please send me an email, frank@frankbrunolaw.com.